Greetings traders out there in Traderland. My name is Des Woodruff here at Grok Trade. It's Thursday, June 27th, 2013. Markets bullish yet again. I'm going to start off by showing you something here. I'm just at the website freeonlinetradingeducation.com. I'll go up to the top to show you this. I went to the chat room. There in the chat room, it's after hours. Nobody's here. Only 48 people or so here now. And this is the premium chat room that Mark, the Meerkat Suffering, runs. And I want to show you something as of today. At noon today, he trades in the morning. You guys get 30 days free, no credit card, anything. I'd highly suggest that you do this. It looks like he was up 6.35% for today, and on his net, not too bad. But the thing I want to show you is this, and I'm doing it at the risk of tooting my own horn. Where is it? Down to, because there's a few people really struggling today on such a bullish day. Here it is, and I wanted to give some affirmation here. Some of you have struggled today, and I want to remind, especially the Grok graduates, to always reference the daily SPX chart, which I do on a daily basis for you and everybody else in the world, 155 countries to be exact. Today's high hit the intersecting 20 and 50 SMAs. Of course, this would serve as a logical area of resistance. That was at about 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I went on to say we have roughly a 75% chance of having a close at or around 1613 today on the SPX. This is technical reason, and there is a technical reason why. So anyway, and then people went on and they asked why, had to do with Fibonacci and also a trend line. I'm going to show that to you. Joe Buddick says, you nailed it, Des, right on the line. Thanks. Great. So let's talk about this. Today, if you're a day trader, and if you're a swing trader, we had a symmetrical triangle, we had a breakout, we get a death hook. That death hook is coined by me. A lot of times you get these false breakouts, we call them fake outs. They come crashing back down. They do so on big volume. And then you get what's called a dead cat bounce, a little pop here. And all this is a little bear pullback, very grim. Today, if I blow this up, you really look at this. You go higher, 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 higher. There's the 20-day SMA, the 50-day SMA coming up, intersecting. Boom, of course, that's going to be resistance. So as a day trader, when your daily hits that resistance point, look for a reversal. Sure enough, we had a reversal. It came down, 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 down. We were probably around here at 1 o'clock, and I said, watch for a close to be around 1613. Why did I say that? Because of a trend line brought up. How we teach trend lines is it's in a very high level. It's an astute way of drawing trend lines, and we do it not with a crayon but with a laser. We're to the penny on how we draw these things, and it takes us a few hours to teach the art of this in our mentorship. But check this out. We had the markets right here. S&P up 0.62%, the Dow up 0.77%, the Nasdaq up 0.76%, Russell's up 1.67%. So small caps really bouncing back nicely. Huge support here at the banks, up 1.4%. VIX dropping 2%, now below 17. Gold takes another hit, down almost 2%, but silver finding green territory. And then you have crude oil up 1.6% with the US dollar down a mere fraction. As you can see here, dead cat bounce, and it's going up on poor volume. Gang, watch for a big correction. I think we'll probably stall out tomorrow, not a big move tomorrow, or people will sell in going into the weekend. But I think next week is going to be big time bearish from the looks of it. But we want to go to higher time frames. We'll do that on tomorrow's weekly video. Quickly, gold still down on big volume. Silver stalling, sideways move, not too bad. Google up 0.4%, little pop higher, needs to stay above this area of support. Apple down a full percent. Apple is on fire, gang. It's in a bad way. Huge problems here. Facebook bouncing 2%, coming back inside this wedge. So something that I'm watching. I'm going to adjust that just a little bit. But this is a rising wedge. gang, so we're not out of the woods yet. Get the very best of technical analysis right here. Tell your friends, take care, we'll talk to you soon.